Here are a couple coins that I think are going to do a clear 10 to 20x over the next couple months, if not the next week, depending on how far the hype can go. When it comes to animals and tokens, we have seen PNUT went to 2.4 billion, and some of the other related coins like Fred, for example, also reached multiple hundreds of millions. This one is the next one. It's a horse, it's called Cheyenne. We had the initial pump yesterday from about 0.8 cents up until 3 cents. Since then, I found support, wobbled around in this area, and then it was ready to break out again. I bought earlier at around 5.7 cents, up about 20% so far. This will easily go to 100 million plus, so just 30 million left to go, which means this one is first. It will be linked down below. Obviously, everything is not financial advice. Do what you like. I'm just showing you what I bought myself. Next up, when it comes to top memes in here, even though everything is at $50 billion, 14 billion, 10 billion, whatever, pretty sure the moment Thanksgiving happens and Christmas happens, coins like PNUT will go to 10 billion and above, probably around 30 to 40 billion, considering that most mainstream people still are not into crypto. Once they get into crypto and they see people making money, this is what they're going to buy first. They hear about memes, they think it's funny, they see how people make money with that, it rhymes, so they're going to get into PNUT. They might even recognize that from traditional news. Elon is going to keep pumping that on Twitter, on X, and this one will 100% go above 1.6 billion. And I don't just mean from last week, the last all-time high of $2.40. I mean easily $20 to $30, if not more. And there will be memes around setting this onto $100 a piece, if not more. So if you have a larger position and you don't want to just gamble but have something more safe, I mean, I wouldn't say safe, but you know, things that people want to buy, this is going to be that for sure. Then, for projects that I've seen more often recently, there's one called Project 89. That over here peaked at 30 million market cap just a couple hours ago. Now it's down a bit again. It keeps going up and down. But in short, this over here has the price prediction of $100 million in the short term, like 500 mil in the long term. A couple groups I'm in, they all started accumulating that. There's smart money that keeps on buying this. If you don't know the word smart money, it's pretty much people that buy these things in this range down here, hold, sell it up here, make a bunch of money. They now take some of the profits and put it into things like Project 89. And then long term, one more coin. This is actually the very first video I ever made on this channel. It's called NCAT, NeuroCat. When Elon Musk put Neuralink into the first human and that guy went on a flight, he created the image of a cat with his mind. This is at $2 million on market cap, 1.8 right now, so super volatile, but the narrative and story for this is so much stronger than most things out there. Why I think if this, which you probably never heard about, is at 20 mil, then this one, which you probably will hear about fairly soon, on X, by Elon, once he makes more content and updates on Neuralink, this is going to perform really well. It's down 28% since yesterday, so you get a better buying opportunity down here. But overall, I think it peaked at 10 million in market cap. This never went high, because the hype never caught on. Once it does catch on, this will easily go to 50 mil, 100 mil or more, and I think it's still worth it. Now, I've been holding since, I think June or July that I made the video. Has been quite a couple months, but I'm certain this one long-term is going to go quite well. If you just want to buy something short-term, it goes up. Buy Cheyenne, this will go to 100 mil, 200 mil in the next couple days. This is like an easy 2 or 3x, depending on, when you buy it and when you see it. If you want something where you can put in 10k and more, just buy PNUT. I mean, it's down already. So you get like a 50% discount when it comes to buying it. Something in the medium range, go with Project 89. Everything is available on Solana. Pretty much use Jupiter or Radium, buy it that way. And then lastly, again, NCAT, if you feel like it, but again, do what you like. Not financial advice, hope you make some money, and I see you fairly soon.